In 1985, the Shah Bano case shook India. Shah Bano, a 62-year-old Muslim woman, was divorced by her husband after 43 years of marriage. She was left with nothing. Bano went to court seeking maintenance from her former husband. The Supreme Court ruled in her favor. The court said that Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code applied to all citizens, including Muslims. This law says that a man must support his wife, even after divorce, if she cannot support herself. This judgment was a major victory for women's rights in India. It upheld the principle of gender equality. It said that all women, regardless of their religion, were entitled to legal protection. However, it sparked widespread debate. Critics argued that the judgment interfered with religious laws. The significant judgment highlighted the tension between personal laws and the Indian constitution. Ultimately, the Shah Bano case became a landmark in the fight for justice and equality in India. Many people celebrated the Supreme Court's decision. They saw it as a step towards a fairer society, but there was strong opposition too. Some Muslim groups argued that the court was interfering with Muslim personal law. They felt that the judgment disregarded the importance of religious customs in matters of marriage and divorce within Islam. They argued that maintenance for divorced women was already covered by Islamic law. The government, under pressure, enacted the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act in 1986. This law seemed to overturn the Shah Bano judgment. It said a Muslim woman was only entitled to maintenance during the iddat period, 3 months after divorce. The 1986 Act led to more confusion. Was Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code still relevant for Muslim women? The Daniel Latify case of 2001 provided some clarity. The Supreme Court upheld the 1986 Act, but said it did not overrule Section 125. The court stated that Muslim women could seek maintenance under either law. This was a crucial interpretation. It meant that the 1986 Act did not take away existing rights. In 2024, the Mohd Abdul Samad case further solidified this position. The Supreme Court reiterated that Muslim women could claim maintenance under both the 1986 Act and Section 125. The court emphasized that the right to maintenance was a fundamental right. The Shah Bano case remains a landmark event in India's legal and social history. It brought to light the complex interplay between personal law and the constitution. It also sparked a debate about the Uniform Civil Code, or UCC. The UCC proposes a single set of laws for all citizens, irrespective of their religion. Supporters of the UCC argue that it would promote gender equality and national integration. They say it would end discrimination based on religion. However, opponents argue that the UCC is an attack on religious freedom. They say it undermines the diversity of India's cultural fabric. The debate continues. But the Shah Bano case remains a powerful symbol of the fight for women's rights. It reminds us that justice must prevail even when it challenges deeply held beliefs.